in a garden where memories gather like dust. My name is Mabel, and I've been sewing alone for 7 years. Every dawn I open the box and pretend the buttons still talk. Since Henry left, every stitch feels like an unanswered question. We used to sew together, before the silence took him. The buttons stopped singing the day he did.
Then one rainy morning, a small voice broke the quiet.
Finn. He said it was his grandmother's button.
He just wanted to know its story.
A story worth telling, I'm sure. Come inside, child. Let me show you what these buttons remember. These buttons, Finn, each one holds a story.
Like treasures? Can I see?
Of course, dear. This thimble was my mother's.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Each one holds a story. And for the first time in years, they sang again. For the first time since Henry, I laughed with someone new. Maybe the quilt isn't finished until we add new threads. Thank you, Finn. The buttons are singing again, and so am I. Some threads break, but the strongest ones are the ones we choose to tie together.